Every single day, millions upon millions of people around the globe crack open a Pepsi and take a sip. How do we know? Because we are one of them. Pepsi's taste is a big draw. It's got this unique blend of sweetness with a hint of citrus that just hits the spot for a lot of folks. They have these unique refillable glass bottles that are gaining attention for their eco-friendly approach to packaging and the classic refreshments they offer. Plus, their refillable glass bottles are a step towards reducing plastic waste and minimizing environmental impact. Also, the glass maintains the purity of Pepsi's taste, enhancing the drinking experience for consumers. Moreover, here's a little business tip. Refillable glass bottles encourage repeat purchases and brand loyalty. You can see how mesmerizing this mechanical automation is. Even bigger packaging doesn't need a human hand. Hence, those Pepsi bottles are dispatched, so you can grab, sip, refill, and repeat. Pepsi's 1.5-liter plastic bottles are designed with convenience in mind, offering a larger capacity for sharing or extended enjoyment. Its resealable cap allows us to enjoy their Pepsi over multiple servings, maintaining freshness and carbonation between drinks. You might have noticed some grayish-black Pepsi bottles, right? Well, it has a solid reason. The shift to black-colored bottles has many environmental implications. Black bottles can sometimes complicate recycling because they are harder for recycling facilities to process. However, PepsiCo is aware of these challenges and is working on solutions to ensure that black bottles are designed to be as recyclable as possible. If you ask me, I'm not a huge fan of Pepsi. In fact, my favorite soft drink is coming in a few moments. Whenever we hear the word automation, we usually think of machines doing their jobs with a little manual help. Of course, wherever it comes to a quality check, they need a little labor. But here you won't see any single person not even peeking at these Pepsi cans. It might seem a little overwhelming, but truly I am a huge fan of this mechanical automation. It barely has the labor for the whole procedure, but of course, at the back end, they need a manual team. After all, it's not some ghostly factory running on its own at night, though it seems a little bit ghostly as they didn't have any people around, or you may catch it if you see somebody. Bottled iced coffee is being made here in large tanks, so it will be an unmatched convenience for busy caffeine lovers, or who barely can open their eyes without caffeine in the morning. Of course, I'm talking about myself. It is ready to drink straight from the bottle, eliminating the need for brewing, mixing, or chilling. This makes it an ideal choice for busy individuals who need a quick caffeine fix. Unlike my handmade iced coffee, which keeps fluctuating when it comes to its taste, factory-made iced coffee provides a consistent taste and quality. Isn't it hot? Just grab and sip the freshness. As I told you earlier, I have a lifetime food crush on one of my favorite soft drinks. Let me tell you, it's none other than that fascinating and flavorful Fanta. Its name Fanta is derived from the German word fantasy, meaning imagination, and I can't imagine more freshness coming from a single sip of that tangy hot bottle. No doubt that mind-blowing fragrance of frying food can even evoke your appetite and give a pleasant vibe. fried snacks are typically high in sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure and increase the risk of many diseases. It is better if you can avoid its excessive intake. You might guess what's cooking. From breakfast to dessert and everything in between, crepe rolls are a versatile and delicious addition to any meal or occasion. Their soft texture, subtle flavor, and endless filling possibilities make them irresistible. Can I pinch your pain point? When it's filled with that delicious Nutella, fresh fruits, or even that rich whipped cream, they create a perfect sweet treat that satisfies your cravings. The combination of warm, soft crepe and luscious fillings is a delightful sensory experience that appeals to people of almost all ages. Even when they are served with cream cheese, they provide a flavorful and elegant starter that will impress guests. Now this is something new, even for me. These are Korean special snacks, and its first bite took us to the fresh onions chopped up nice and fine and sprinkled with yummy flavors all over the snacks. Yup, I heard that it tastes a bit sweet and salty, all covered with onion flavors. Even after you finish the last one, the yummy flavor doesn't just disappear. It leaves a happy little memory on your tongue, a gentle reminder of the party that just happened in your mouth. But I wonder how many of you have already tasted it. Today we're inside the factory where Korean spicy noodles come to life. Let's dive in and see how the noodles we all enjoy are made. If you like watching my videos, please hit that like button so I would know I have my audience's back, and I appreciate your love. Keeping a few factory-made pizzas in the freezer is a common practice for many households as a reliable backup for days when cooking from scratch is not an option. And you really can't be doubtful regarding their delicious flavors. If we talk about it, the deliciousness of these pizzas is a result of careful ingredient selection, balanced recipes, and the use of advanced technology in production. As far as their hygiene or cleanliness is concerned, you can see they barely use a human hand, and the machines, including conveyor belts or depositors, are super cleaned. Well, they must not be planning to lose their countless customers by skipping any petty cleaning task, obviously. And videos like these are recorded to ensure customer satisfaction, as they could see how efficiently and systematically everything is being done by keeping in view our major pain point, the cleanliness